From the ways that we can bring our hearts together to feel the sweetness of the honey of the life is another prophetic example from Prophet ﷺ, which is tawadi, to look over something, to pretend you didn't see, to ignore what doesn't please you. Al-Taghaful, it's like I didn't see. You saw it, but you didn't see it. You pretend to ignore it. In the famous hadith of the Prophet ﷺ with his wife Aashiqan-E-Rasool, he is in the house of Aashiqan-E-Rasool. It's her day with him, and she is cooked a meal. Never would the Prophet say, I don't want to eat this food. If he don't like it, he just wouldn't eat. And Aisha prepared food, and she is young, and it doesn't look delicious, doesn't look appetizing. And his wife S.A.W.W, the mature one, she can cook, man. She's like, MashaAllah. So the Prophet says to Aisha, how about we take your plate and share it with Sauda? Let's go see what she's got over there. We will bring your food over there. Aisha knows what's happening. She knows. So she's carrying the plate. She doesn't see anything. Labbaik ya Rasulullah. And then gets out of here. The Prophet's coming. She burns up the kitchen. Everything's coming out of the kitchen. MashaAllah. She's doing it all. And she prepares this beautiful dish filled with the Prophet's favorite food. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And Aisha is there. Aisha is sitting Rasulullah, and the Prophet is sitting. And as Sauda is bringing down the plate, Aisha, in anger and jealousy, hits it. And the plate falls down and breaks in the ground. And for us, you and I, what are you doing? What's wrong with you? This is haram. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He smiled and he said to her, Rasulullah, try it first, meaning how do you know you don't like it? How do you know you don't like it? Maybe you will like it, Ya Aisha. And he took some of the food from the ground with his hand and he put it in my mouth. I tasted it and it's actually pretty good. It's not bad actually. He didn't say anything about a broken plate, about disrespectful behavior and ungratefulness, about the of wasting food. He didn't say anything. Except taste it. And after we finished, he said maybe you should let her taste. Why don't you leave your dish for her? You broke her dish. Leave your dish. Maybe she will like your food. You liked her food, she will like your food. And that's was it. It was like he ignored it. And this is one of the greatest sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.